You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce it in different languages and correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos. It has a Greek origin, female, meaning bringer of victory. Spanish, Bernice. In English, however, it is usually pronounced as Bernice. In French, the pronunciation is also as Bernice. In English, how to pronounce Bernice. The stress is usually on the second syllable. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know your pronunciation in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.